Hey everybody, Mark C. Winters here, co-author of Rocket Fuel, where we explore the visionary and the integrator, the one powerful and essential combination of leadership that every company needs to reach new heights. As the lifeblood of a leadership team, you, the integrator, serve as an invaluable leader in your organization. A great integrator has extensive knowledge about all levels of the business and constantly works to move that business forward. Integrators, we see you. Without you, many organizations feel frustrated, scattered, and unproductive. I'm excited to personally invite you to extend your time in Orlando by joining me at our EOS Integrator Masterclass in Orlando, Florida on April 19th, 2 days before the EOS conference. This all-day in-person masterclass will teach you how to become truly great as an integrator. We'll dive into discovering where issues hide, how to solve them, and how to make the tough calls that are often needed. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to connect with and learn from fellow integrators that are on their own journey to become truly great as an integrator. I'll never forget the first time we held this workshop. The buzz of integrators talking to one another before the session, over lunch, and during the breaks. They discovered that they were not alone. They found their tribe. And if you're interested in continuing this journey to become truly great, along with some of the very best integrators on the planet, well, you're going to have the opportunity to join us the very next day, April 20th, at the Quarterly Integrator Exchange. We'll spend that entire day as a community of integrators, checking in with each other, exploring a deep dive tool, and IDSing your most impactful issues. You can learn more at rocketfueluniversity.com. I sure hope to see you there. And until then, go Rocket.